Hi, everybody. Good morning. It is Friday, June 5th, 2020. It is an amazing week, and it's been kind of an easy week for us doing some math levels, math drills. But I want to give a shout out to Inukshuk. Inukshuk is a Canadian thing, and you know what? It is quite remarkable. So I tweeted about it. If you want to take a look, and Haley's over here and Landon's over here, and something that I did make today. So you can certainly look at our Nature's Challenge is on our Twitter account, and happy birthday to Arwa again yesterday. About it's amazing to have you in our class. So I hope that you had a great day yesterday, and today we have some nature exploration again. The mental math challenge, we're going to continue. There are 12 altogether this week. So I hope you got up to 12. Next week will be the part two of it. So just keep that in mind. Today's thing is me, Toma, and the concrete garden. Okay. And the mashup math was a tricky one. Okay. So the answer is 3 tickets. And you're probably wondering, how did 3 tickets happen? So before I get to that, pizza problems is the mashup math today. So 3 tickets. So it looks something like this. I'm going to go to Kopika's thing and I'm going to use this little thing. So as a grandmother, two mothers, and two daughters went to a baseball game together and bought 1 ticket each. What is the fewest number of tickets that would be need to purchase? So if you just count grandmother, so 1, 2, and 2, most people were saying 5. Okay, so let's take a look at what makes a grandmother a grandmother. So we're going to put GM over here. And to be grandmother, you got to have, sometimes you can have a son, but definitely this could work, grandmother and a daughter. And to be a grandmother, that daughter must have a daughter. So let's see, grandmother, okay, daughter, and daughter. Okay, so you're probably thinking 3 tickets. How does that work? Well, let's see, grandmother. Okay, we need one grandmother, so that's already good. So grandmother, that's good. Okay, and two mothers. Two mothers. So grandmother we have already. Mother. So she is a mother of this person. Okay, so that's a mother right there. And she is a mother to her daughter. So she is also a mother. So we have two mothers right there and two daughters. So she would be the daughter of the grandma. Of this would be her mom, and her mom is this one. So we have two daughters over here. So just by looking at that, we have be able to satisfy all those conditions. We have a grandma, which is over here, and then we have two mothers right over here, and right over here, and two daughters, which are right over here and right over here. So if that's the case, so that meant that this person would get 1 ticket, her daughter would get another ticket, and her granddaughter or her daughter would get 1 ticket. So this would equal 3 tickets all together. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. It is all about math, but you got to really think carefully of what the question was asking, the fewest number. So the fewest number would be 3 for that to happen. Of course, you can have a bit more, but that is the fewest number of tickets you can get for that question. Pizza problems, that is the Jamboard for today. Use the pattern below to find the value of question mark right over here. So what is the pattern? For hidden meaning, we had see eye to eye, up to no good, down pipe, and scrambled eggs. This is quite funny because most of you got it, which is amazing. But we have this. So puddles 65 to 68. We are moving along quite nicely. The Flipgrid question for today has to do with, I believe, let's just let it load up for a little bit here. It's quite good. So I'm happy that most of you are doing the Flipgrid, which is amazing. We have a murder at Parkway, so listen very carefully, okay? On the last day of school at Parkway, someone murdered Miss Atchison. There were 4 people at the school that the police suspected had done it. Mr. Buddha, Mr. Mendoza, Mr. Ooh, I misspelled that. It's supposed to be Fliss. I'll fix it. And Miss Stacy. There were These were their alibis. Mr. Buddha said he was outside mowing the lawn. Mr. Mendoza said he was giving a mid-year test. Mr. Fliss said he was running practice drills with his players. And Miss Stacy said she was in her office. So Mr. Fliss, very active. He's like a coach, runs a bunch of stuff. Miss Stacy, principal, works in the office. Mr. Mendoza loves to give tests. Mr. Boda, obviously, is our caretaker during the day, so he was out mowing the lawn. After getting their alibis, the police arrested the killer immediately. Who killed Miss Atchison, and how did the police know? So let's see what you say about that. All right, that is it for me today. Have a great weekend. And if you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. And again, we have a Google Meet at 1:30 to 2:30, and we have our escape room edition for that. Okay, so we'll see you then. And just to let you know, your report cards will be done as of Monday. And so if you're thinking, what do we do now? There's going to be some pretty cool stuff coming right up next week. But I'm super happy that you are very productive and you're keeping up with your mental math, which is amazing. So again, if you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. And the nature challenge, actually, before I forget, nature challenge for today is, I don't know. We'll keep it a secret, I guess. Let's see. Ooh, it's a pizza problem. One, we got your little baby Yoda. Is take a picture of one of the following scenarios. Okay, take a picture of one of the following scenarios. A beautiful sunset. So that would be later on today. A bird perched on a tree. Take a picture of a bird perched on a tree. A terrestrial burrowing rodent. If you don't know what that is, you might want to look that up. A rainbow. Or a shadow of at least 3 people. So if it's a very sunny day today, maybe you could take a picture of that. So you have lots of scenarios to pick from. A beautiful sunset. You're going to have to wait till later on to take that. A bird perched on a tree. You got to be really quiet. A picture of a terrestrial boring rodent. Don't know what that is. Try to figure it out. A rainbow. Ooh, how could you create a rainbow? Grade 4. So you can create a rainbow. Or a shadow of at least 3 people. So you're going to be outside and make sure that you get at least 3 people. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Friday, June 5th. Wow. School's almost over.